Welcome to this Introduction to Power BI online workshop. This is an on-demand, self-paced course that gives you the key skills and confidence for you to be able to go and create your own Power BI reports from any given data source in any given environment. Hi, my name is Sheb and I'm the Principal Trainer here at the Sovereign Training Academy. We have over 10 Power BI workshops available and we've been running these since 2016, continually refining the delivery process to ensure the optimal learning on your part. All our trainers are certified, experienced and knowledgeable, and in this introductory course we'll make sure that you learn the main functions and features required for everyday reporting. So what exactly will you learn? First of all, we'll take data from 3 separate sources, so you can see exactly how these fit together in Power BI and how we can link external sources. We'll then transform and clean the data to ensure an efficient dataset, allowing us to give the end user a much better experience and further enable the AI and Q&A features available in Power BI. We'll then look at data modelling, manipulate and create relationships, because a solid data model is a key to successful reporting. We'll then move on to visualizations, ensuring we use the right visual for the data, and furthermore understand how each visual interacts with one another. With all the above components in place, we'll then begin to tell a story with our data, allowing the end user to utilise functions such as drill throughs, drill downs and analyse functions to ensure that they can focus on the key data points and understand what is happening and why. Finally, we'll publish the report to the Power BI service so that you can share and collaborate with your colleagues. All necessary files are included within the course, with detailed instructions that allow you to work at your own pace and at your own convenience. Take part in the quizzes throughout the course to gain a completion certificate for you to add to your personal profile. So what are you waiting for? Join the hundreds of others who have already taken this course and become key data advocates within their organisation. We look forward to welcoming you on this course. Thank you for watching.